Hey, there are those days where you just need a quick meal. You're tired, your kids are nagging you, your husband's looking at you. This is one of my quick recipes. Chicken piccata tastes so good, and it goes really well with rice or couscous. So I'm using chicken thigh on bone, but you can use breast. You want to just add pepper to your chicken and then just dunk it in some flour and evenly coat your chicken in the flour. In a pan, add some oil and you want to fry your chicken pieces. I forgot to mention, do add salt while you're adding the pepper. And just fry your pieces until they're nice and golden and then set them aside. If you do it with chicken breast, it'll go a lot faster. With boneless breast, it'll go a lot faster. I then added them to a pan and then into the oven she went at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. See what's left over, that sludge from cooking? Don't throw it away. Flavor. Flavor, flavor, flavor. I added about a cup of chicken stock, which is just chicken cube in water. And then I added some thinly sliced lemons and I cooked this mixture. Oh, I did add about 4 tablespoons of lemon as well to my stock. After a few minutes, you want to then, after your chicken's ready rather, you want to add it back to your little mix there, your lemon stock mix, and cook them for about maybe 8 minutes. Your sauce will thicken, your chicken will taste good. That's it. Like literally, that's it. You can add a garlic to your stock if you want, entirely up to you. Nothing else to it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and as always, happy cooking!